Let's learn how to enable battery percentage on your mobile. To enable this feature, go to your mobile settings, scroll down and go to battery and device care option. Click on this battery option. In here, you can click on this more battery settings. After in this page, you can enable or disable show battery percentage option. In this method, you can enable or disable battery percentage. Now I will tell you another tip. If you want to enable or disable fast charging, you can enable or disable fast charging using this option. If you enable this fast charging, you can charge your phone very fastly.